Hi guys, hi. Welcome back to the skin I'm in. What's up? What's good? What's glowing on? It's your girl Kim and I'm back with another video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button down below. And also click the bell and join the notification squad. So every time I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Yeah. Also, like, comment, share it with your friends. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and yeah. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my GlossyBox subscription, and I'm going to be unboxing two of my Glossy boxes. My box for April and my box for May. And I'm going to be going through, showing you the products that come in there and, just giving a brief snippet on the product based on the information that's in the box. At some point or another, I will be trying out these products, and at some point or another, I will be reviewing these products. You guys will know my favorites, my least favorites, the ones, that could have stayed and the ones that had to come along. I'm really excited to unbox this for you guys, on these two boxes, especially my May box, because this box is giving me all the feels, okay? All the travel feels. Basically what it is, it's a monthly subscription. I pay $20 US a month plus shipping. So Canadian, it roughly I pay $27 with shipping and everything for the month. And I basically receive 5 full-size products from different categories. So from hair to makeup to skincare to nail polish, perfumes, anything beauty and lifestyle coming to these boxes. So this is about my 4th month. This is my April Glossy box. And the reason I'm unboxing it in May is because I didn't receive it in April. I saw May roll around and I was like, no, something not right. Because I would have received my box from like mid-April, from like the 17th or so. And I didn't receive it. So I just, sent a little email to the GlossyBox US. And they were like, oh, we're sorry. It must have got lost in the mail. And they resent it. And I received it yesterday, which was Monday. And I received my May box today, which is Tuesday. And this box is giving me all the travel feels. Like, it's so bright. I love the yellow and the pink combo with the, the little silver trim, silver accents. I really love the design of this box, actually. I think I'm gonna use it for my travel savings. That's what I'm gonna use it for. And somebody just drove. Oh, can you hear the car? Can you hear the car? Sorry guys. I love it. I really love it. And then my April box is just, the regular blush, black and blush theme. That I think this is the most consistent theme I've received. I'm assuming this is the Glossy box theme, because the other 3 boxes that I've received are this color scheme, the blush and black. Okay, so let's get into the box, the April box. So I think this is like a flyer. Yes. I think this is a flyer for like a 6-week cyber aerobics program. There's a promo code on there. I guess you can go on the website and put in your promo code and get a discount for our cyber aerobics program. I think, oh wow, there's actually recipes in here. Energy balls on the go. It's a one, man. Kale chips. What do I say? Cauliflower pizza. Morning boost, afternoon boost. Oh yes, healthy pancake and so. Healthy chicken burgers. Hey, that sounds more like my speed, because the cauliflower pizza, I'm not too sure about that one day. I'm not so sure about that. But there's recipes in here, really fun recipes actually, and I think I'm gonna try a few of them. I might try the cauliflower one just for fun and video it for you guys. Let's see. If you want me to try the cauliflower pizza, comment down below and tell me, and I might just do it. I'll do it. If you guys request it, I'll do it. Moving on, I think it's like the paper that tells you what is inside the box and explain each product. Yeah, that's it. So it tells you each product that comes inside the box, and it gives you a rundown of each product, actually, the full size of the product, what the price is, and a little tips on how to use them and stuff. I don't know if you can read it all, but it's something like this. And so when you first open the box, actually, this is what it looks like. Cute, right? So everything is all packaged up together. There's tissue paper, there's a little ribbon with a cute little bow, and then there's a seal, and then when you open it, the papers are on top, and then the products are neatly placed inside the box. And there is like shredded paper at the bottom for cushioning, and it's cute presentation. So there was that. So in the April box, I got some clarifying oil-free cleansing towelettes from La Roche-Posay. So they have micro exfoliating lipohydroxy acid. It's for oily skin and people with uneven skin texture. Really? It's supposed to leave your skin feeling clean, smooth, and refreshed. That's what it says on the package. I'm not gonna try it right now because I really don't want to wipe my whole life away, so I will just try it later when I'm removing this. And then there's Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. Baked Blush in the shade Rose Beige. And this is what it looks like. It's quite cute.
So my color. I'm so trying it.
Are you really? Come on. Come give me a face.
Put a little right here. Do you see how it complements my complexion?
Baby, I glow.
It makes me glow.
Yeah, I glow.
I'm angelic right now.
Oh.
Pass me my halo.
I cannot. You're too much. And then there's this climate control anti-frizz nanotechnology from, how do you say, I think it's Wedad. Wedad. I need to shake it. Wedad. Yeah, this little bottle. And then there's break rules. So this Ulution I love, it's eye contour. And the last thing in the box is this refreshing foaming shower gel in the scent fresh eucalyptus and rosemary from Rituals. Let me smell it. Oh, okay. Fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. Okay. So that's my April box. Too keen on the shower gel scent, but it smells fresh. It's not sweet like my, you know, my typical, what I would go for. I really must say that I'm enjoying the look of the May GlossyBox. I really love the colors and, you know, the products that were put together in this box. So again, And then when you open the box, the tissue paper is actually a map, right? Wow, that's really well thought out, GlossyBox. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then there's a 12 weeks or $12 coupon in here for the Economist. There's information on some of the products that are inside, and this is the pamphlet with the products that come in the box. Jet Setter. I guess that's the theme for this month, Jet Setter. Okay, and this is the information on the products that come. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, so this is the Arizona box. First of all, let me tell you, when I looked on the flyer and I saw this picture of the cologne, of the perfume, you know, my skin catch a fire, you know, because I'm saying, you hear me get full-size perfume and so. And then this, bruh. This, I don't know. This is the size that came in the box, okay? This is the bottle. Okay. So it's a 5 milliliter bottle that comes in the box. Let's smell it. Let's have a smell. Whoo! Okay. This packs a punch. This smells beautiful. This smells beautiful, babe. Can't wear this go for road, you know. Yeah, let me take more. I'm gonna take away. It smells good.
Nice.
There's this deep cleansing oil.
Ooh.
From DHC. So you know, I'm the skincare freak. I'm all about skincare. Love it. You can't apply flawless makeup without taking care of your skin, right? And I'm all for pre-cleansing, oil cleansing. I am oil cleansing at the boss. No two ways about it, my friend. So the fact that this actually came in my May box, yeah, right? I love oil cleansing. So I will definitely be giving this a try, and I'll see how it works for me. And then these are the John Masters Organics products. So this is the shampoo. It's Evening Primrose scent. Let's smell it. Wow, this smells nice. Ooh. It smells good, man. It's shampoo for dry hair. Certified organic products, so they're natural products, and I love that. The Perfect Formula Pink Gel Coat. So it's nail polish. Strong nail care. Brightens and strengthens and seals. So this is what it looks like. And then we have Protecting Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen from Tree Hut Skincare. This is the packaging. And it has broad spectrum SPF 30. And this is the bottle. Let me smell it. Smell nice too, yes? Smells good. So far, of all the glossy boxes I have received, I'm gonna say May box is my favorite so far. And there was, I think, March, I think for March's box, I got a free gift, like an extra gift, extra product in there. But this box by far is my fave. It has all products that speak to me because I have dry hair, so that shampoo, you know, would work well for me. And I love how they smell. So that's it, guys. That's it for the boxes, for the glossy boxes unboxing. And the reason I'm unboxing two at the same time is because I received two at the same time, because my April box got lost in the mail and they resent it to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.